In primetime news this evening, scores of JUTC commuters left stranded as drivers withdraw their service for a second day. Police swoop down on White River, illegal raftsmen now out of a job. And in her words, woman at the center of prank details her ordeal.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, I have the latest from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica statting on how much we're spending on imports, and you definitely want to stick around for those details because it's at almost a record high.
All right, thanks, Javon. Giovanni Dennis, he's here to give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Gio?
Thanks so much, Herman. Well, it's day 3 of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, and the 400 meters is expected to bring things to its climax later this evening. I'll have the details of that.
And for a look at the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, we have weaker winds expected across the island over the next few days, so this is a very good opportunity for clouds and showers to be developing, especially in the afternoons across the island. I'll have more details in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, how were you impacted by the JUTC strike?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.